Hey guys, welcome to my channel Lifestyle Tech. My name is Soham and today we're gonna see the unboxing of earbuds. Yes, so Boult Audio has recently launched these earbuds and this is available in Flipkart and in a very low price. So I will tell you about all the details which are there inside this package, and also one thing that I'm gonna tell you is that I'm gonna do a giveaway of this product. Yes, we're gonna do a giveaway of these earbuds. Now do keep on watching this video till the end and I will tell you how to participate in the contest and how you can win these earbuds. Yes, so let's start. So guys, let's start the unboxing of the video, and do consider subscribing to my channel and do participate on the giveaway. Now this box has got a very minimalistic design, as you can see it, and there are certain features which are available are being mentioned on the back of the box. Few of them that I can mention here is 15 hours of playtime, 3 days of standby, Google voice command, noise cancellation, and it has also got a Bluetooth 5.0, and also it has got a stereo calling and mic. On the left and right side you can see the brand ambassador of this device, which is Kirti Sanan and Vicky Kaushal, which is a good thing. And as you can open up, we'll see what are the content inside the box. Now the price of this device comes at rupees 1499, I think, which is perfectly good in this range. And let's see what is there inside the box. So as you open up the box, you can see a red colored branded Boult Audio paper, which you can see here, and inside it definitely there will be certain documentation. So let's open up and see. And as you open up, you can see a warranty card which will be mentioned, and it also has got a service center details and everything mentioned in that, and also details which will talk about how to pair this device and how to use this device, and also about the functionality of this device, the touch facilities which is available in this device, so which you can go through it. So let's keep this aside and see what is there more inside the box. So further moving in, we have two things which you can see. Let's find out what is there inside this red box. You can see here it's mentioned as accessories. So definitely I believe that it's going to be the cable, the charging cable which comes along with it. And this I think would be a standard USB cable which will be helpful to recharge the entire earbuds. And also there would be certain ear tips which would be available, and you can use it as per your preferences and choice and as per your fit, in fact. So this is a good move. Extra ear tips always help in case if you lose or if you misplace anything like that. And as we go in, we can see the main product, and you can see here it's mentioned as Airbass Combuds of Boult Audio. Now the first look of it, it is a black color, and it has got a matte finish to it. It feels smooth in hand, and it's very light. In fact, it doesn't weigh much. And as you open up, you can see the two earbuds which are there inside. And the middle button, once you press it, it shows the charge which is available in the pods, and you can take it out. And definitely guys, these are magnetic pods, as you can see here. It will not fall off. The design is very minimalistic and it looks good. In fact, the case quality is okay, I think, and the one good thing that it's being magnetic, it will not fall off that easily. Now the rubber tip that you can see here has got a double layer to it, so it will be a good hold onto your ears, and I think it will not fall off easily. In fact, during my trial, when I have been using it, it has not fallen off at all. I went for a walk also along with wearing these earbuds, and it did not fall off because of the rubber tip which has got a double layer, which is definitely a good thing. So guys, here I will talk about the sound quality and followed by my opinion. So I think sound quality wise, it is to the average side. It is not that bass heavy, but the sound quality of the bass comes good. The treble could have been much better, but it is on the dimmer side. So overall in this price range, I think the sound quality is good, and I would rate it as 3.5 out of 5. One good, in my opinion, if I talk about the good thing, is that it has gotten 15 hours of playtime, which the company claims, with 3 days of standby, so the battery backup is also good. And also you can control your phone device like Google Assistant and Siri with the voice command, so which is again a positive point. It talks about noise cancellation, but mainly it is on the rubber tip, which helps to reduce the noise. There is no certain active noise cancellation available. The other good thing in this device is the Bluetooth 5.0, which auto pairs, which is quick and fast and gives you quick connectivity. The earbuds are good all in all, and in this price range I would definitely ask you guys to go and look at it and consider the same. It is definitely a good buy. So guys, I think you have seen the video altogether, and I think it's really a good earbuds which you can use it, and the sound quality and the features are really good in this. And now to talk about the giveaway and how to participate it, definitely you have to do two things, or in fact three things here. The first thing is that you need to subscribe to my channel, and second thing, you need to like the video. Third thing is that you have to comment. Now you have to comment why do you want these earbuds. You have to comment down below in the video, and from the random comment picker I will choose one lucky guy who would be eligible to get this giveaway of the Airbass Combuds. Now this product I can only courier it in India, and I have got only one piece of it. So guys, do participate, and let's see who wins it, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.